Okay, first let's discuss Aqua Amara. Hey Fragrance family, I'm David and I'm a fragrance bro. Of course, your best source for everything fragrance related. Welcome to another episode in my basic series where we ask and answer all the basic questions that pertain to fragrance and cologne. Today we're asking and answering the question, should we discuss Aqua Amara? And of course, as always, don't forget to smash that like. Perfect. And if you're new to the hobby or you want to know more about fragrances, definitely go check out my basics playlist right up here. All right, I know this is a meme going around the fragrance community in Instagram and on YouTube. It actually started with Mr. Miami Cuddles. Definitely go check him out. I have a link down below to his channel where he talked about a top 10 that he had, and he started off the video with just saying, first let's discuss Aqua Amara. That was later kind of memed by The Fragrance Apprentice, George from The Fragrance Apprentice, another great channel. I have a link down below to him as well. And they just kind of made a meme video about how Mr. Miami Cuddles had the best opening of all time, and Mr. Miami Cuddles had the last word. I'll let you watch that and see what you think. Today we are going to talk about Aqua Amara a little bit, but I want to kind of talk about the whole idea of Aqua Amara in the fragrance world itself. Namely, should you just get a fragrance blindly just based on the hype? So this actually is a legit video here, not just a meme. Now, I am not exactly sure about all the details about how Aqua Amara got to be such a legendary status within the fragrance community. It's kind of lauded as being one of the best, cheapest, fresh scents out there that you can wear. Apparently, a lot of ladies like it. Apparently, it's really cheap, easy to get. Everyone loves it. You get lots of comments. Insert generic praise comment about Aqua Amara here. Everything under the sun. Aqua Amara is everything to all people, apparently. Aqua Amara is a flanker to the original Bulgari Aqua, which I think is actually far better than this. The original Bulgari Aqua is a very unique scent, I think, in my opinion. I actually have a review of it on my channel, an old video that you can go watch if you want to go watch that. But it's a very unique scent, and it's kind of a semi-fresh version of the aquatic. The whole aquatic genre started a long time ago. Some of the more popular fragrances in that genre are Davidoff Cool Water and Acqua di Gio. Bulgari Aqua was a great success for Bulgari, and then they made some flankers off of Bulgari Aqua, like Bulgari Aquamarine, Aqua Amara, the Tonic series, a whole bunch of them. Aqua Amara, for whatever reason, just really hit a nerve in the fragrance community, and everyone seems to really like it. So that brings me to my main question here. Should you buy a fragrance based on the hype? Is a fragrance worth the hype in the community? And the answer to that really is no. I don't think that you should ever blind buy a fragrance. I don't think that you should ever just buy a fragrance based on its hype. Here's the thing with fragrances. Fragrances are very subjective. You can watch many different reviews from reviewers, and I think all of them have some merit in their own way. But at the end of the day, you are the best critic of a fragrance. A fragrance reviewer really should only solidify in your mind, is it worth trying, not necessarily worth buying. Aqua Amara, to me, is really one kind of offender of this whole type of hype beast type of genre, where someone hypes something to death and everyone else hypes something to death, and then people jump on the bandwagon and they buy stuff, the price goes up, and then everyone sells it off because inevitably you're going to be let down. And that's exactly what happened with this. At its core, Aqua Amara is just a flanker of the original Aqua, and it has kind of that DNA in it, that kind of backbone that the original one had, which is kind of a salty, aquatic type of scent. This is salty with some added citrus on there. It's not groundbreaking at all. It's not new, it's not different. I think if you smelled a lot of fresh scents, you're gonna smell this and think, that's nice. And that's gonna be the end of it. I don't care what woman says this is gonna be sexy. It's just a generic scent, guys. Now, I definitely have a very strong opinion about this from my own personal expertise of smelling thousands of fragrances, reviewing hundreds more, and I think that I'm steering you in the right direction. But I still think you should try this, and if you disagree with me, that's fine too. But each person needs to try something on their own and think for themselves. Don't just jump on the bandwagon. Don't just believe the hype. Don't just buy something blindly. Try it first. But if you do buy anything, definitely go to Fragrance X for your fragrance purchases. Fragrance X is an online reseller that sells thousands of legitimate products for a discounted cost. I've bought from them before and I really highly recommend them. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon. And of course, also, the shirt of the day is from Taylor Stitch. Love Taylor Stitch. I'll have a link down below to their clothing line. Awesome, awesome clothes. Definitely go check out their site. So to sum everything up, should we discuss Aqua Amara? Of course. Should you buy into the hype? No, definitely not. Is this a good fragrance? It's okay. Nothing spectacular. That's not gonna blow anyone away. It shouldn't. It's just okay. But if your interests are ever piqued in a fragrance, definitely try it out for yourself first. There's tons of ways online that you can try stuff, different sites, different sample places, different department stores, sample sites like eBay and other places, private decant sellers on Facebook, public resellers on different websites, 100 different places you can go to try stuff. There's definitely a place for you to try something out there. Thank you again for watching. What do you think of Aqua Amara, and what do you think of Hype Beast and buying blindly, all that kind of stuff? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll love you for it. And click that little bell so you get a notification every time I make an upload. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Fragrance Bros.